Here's the current status of the buggy. We're a couple days away from Memorial Weekend 2023. Got the engine, a new transmission in with the new Subarugears high horsepower ring and pinion. We're going to try out. In case any of you don't know what that is, I'll show you. I have the old transmission and the broken ring and pinions on the bench. So here's the old transmission. This one here I popped 2 ring and pinions on, and I've got some damage here in that locating pin that goes into the pinion bearing. I can't find the pin. I drilled the pin out and pulled it out just to see, and it was peened over the edges, and it was pushed down into the hole real far. So I don't trust using this again. So I got another one. And then here, there was the last one I did, I broke. There is some damage to the teeth. There's some cracking, you can see there. Cracks to there. And here's the actual pinions. You can see the exact same situations, cracks across the oil holes, all 4. And they both sheared off right at the end. Those oil holes are huge. And then just for reference, here is a stock one, not the reversed ring and pinion. So we'll put it to the test this weekend. I got the regular street tires on there that I use for dyno tuning. I'm going to take the paddle tires with that. If everything seems good, we'll swap those on and we'll start putting her to the test.